Zoom is currently the preferred method of video conferencing at UC and is free for all faculty, staff and students to use. Zoom conferencing is available on most desktops, tablets and mobile devices that have video functionality by easily downloading the Zoom app from the Apple App Store or from the Google Play Store. This video will show you how to download Zoom and log in on your desktop computer. If this is your first time using Zoom, you will need to download the Zoom desktop client. This can be done by going to canterbury.zoom.us and clicking on the download button. This will take you to the Zoom Download Center, where you can download the Zoom client for meetings. Whether you're on a PC or a Mac, simply follow the on-screen prompts that will guide you to quickly install the application. A Zoom pop-up window will automatically appear and give you the option to join a meeting or sign in. Click the Sign In button. When the sign in options appear, click on the Sign In with SSO button and then enter Canterbury as the company domain and click Continue. You will be redirected to the UC Zoom login page where you will be asked for your UC credentials. Enter your staff or student username, then enter your password and click Sign In. You are now logged in and ready to join, start or schedule your meetings. If you get stuck along the way or need additional support, you can contact the university's IT service desk or log a ticket through Assist.